Page 23 of your grammar book, children. Pick up your pencil. Yesterday, we had done till sentence number 5. Right? Now, we will continue with sentence number 6. Devansh, please switch on your camera and your mic. Sentence number 6. You have to underline the naming word and circle the describing word. Sentence number 6, padho Devansh. My friend is a clever girl. Very good.
My friend is a clever girl.
Clever girl. No, अब इसमें नेमिंग वर्ड कौन है बेटा?
नेमिंग वर्ड वो है जो जिसमें लाइन्स हो.
हाँ, तो इसमें आप किस गर्ल. आप प्लीज डोंट हेल्प हिम, लेट हिम डू इट ऑन हिज ओन. और डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड क्या होगा देवांश इसमें? विच विल बी द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड?
Clever developer.
Very good. Clever is a describing word and girl is the naming word. So we will underline name girl and circle clever. Next, Sanskar. Sanskar. There is a beautiful house on the hill. Which is the naming word and which is the describing word? Please don't help Sanskar. उसको अपने आप जवाब देने दीजिए. Yes, Sanskar. There is a beautiful house on the hill. संस्कार नेमिंग वर्ड क्या होगा बेटा? प्लीज डोंट हेल्प हिम, फॉर गॉड्स सेक, लेट हिम डू इट ऑन हिज ओन. संस्कार अगर आपकी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कोई बात नहीं है बेटा, बट मम्मी से मत पूछना. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. It is a naming word. तो आपको यहाँ पर कोई थिंग दिखाई दे रही सेंटेंस में संस्कार? Vidushi, can you please switch off your mic? Okay, संस्कार कोई बात नहीं बेटा, अगर नहीं समझ में आया कोई बात नहीं, बट पे अटेंशन चाइल्ड. ओके. Veronica, can you do this better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it, child. Which is the naming word in this sentence?
Naming word are orange.
नहीं बेटे, हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं नंबर 7. There is a beautiful house on the hill.
Beautiful are describing word.
Good.
And house are naming word.
Very good, Veronica. House is the
Thank you,
naming
ma'am.
word and beautiful is the describing word. Very good. Children, underline and circle, please. Izan, those are juicy oranges. Naming word and describing word. Sit straight, Izan. Yes. Now tell me, child.
Orange naming word. Orange naming word.
And describing word?
Juicy.
Very good. Orange is the naming word and juicy is the describing word. Good, Izan. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
That is an angry dog.
S angry dog. मैम मैम क्या कहते हो उसको?
Dog and that is an angry dog. नेमिंग वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करना है, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड को सर्कल करना है. तो पहले मुझे नेमिंग वर्ड बताओ, फिर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड बताओ.
मैम डॉग.
Dog is what?
Yes मैम.
Naming word or describing word?
नेमिंग वर्ड.
Very good. And describing word क्या है अगर?
angry.
Good. Underline dog and circle angry. Myra Tandon. Number 10. I got a lovely dress from the market yesterday. Tell me the naming word and the describing word. Myra?
मैम इनकी बुक में 10 नंबर नहीं है मैम, ओल्ड बुक है.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Vidushi.
Yes मैम.
Okay. I got a lovely dress from the market yesterday.
Lovely is the describing word and dress is the naming word.
Very good. Lovely is the describing word and dress is the naming word. So please underline dress and circle lovely. Okay, turn the page now, children. Turn the page. Now, write these describing words in the correct column. There are some words given to you over here जिनमें shape है, size है, color है and number है. So I am going to read all the words first and then I will ask you to tell me about them. The words, let us put your finger on the word that I am going to read, children. Black, small, oval, 4, big, square, white, 7, purple, 1, oblong, tiny, 10, green, huge, circular. Now इसमें से जो shapes हैं वो निकाल के हमें यहाँ पे लिखने हैं, size, color and number. So let us start with size. Right? Let us start with size. निष्कर, इन वर्ड्स में से तुम्हें साइज का कोई वर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है? Look into your book. Look into your book, Nishkar. You don't have your book with you, child. You don't have your book, right? So, let me ask Arsalan. Arsalan, can you see a size over here, child?
Yes ma'am. Small.
Very good, Arslan. Small. So children, all of you write small in the blank size के नीचे. SMALL. Ishanvi, the next word for size. From the table given in your book. Small हो गया बेटा. Next कौन सा है बेटा?
Tiny.
Very good. Tiny. Tiny, tiny. Please write the next word tiny over there. Adya Verma, the next word, child. Very good. Big. B-I-G. Big.
L. W को बना देती हूँ को.
Please switch off your mic. Mahira Fatma, the next word.
Huge.
Very good. Huge. यानी कि बहुत बड़ा. Okay. So we have written 4 words under the size column, right? Now let us move to color. Let us move to okay. Just give me a minute, children. Shayan. Color.
Color. White, ma'am.
White. It's given there. Yes. White. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Laiba. Laiba. Color बताओ from the colors given in the table over here.
Ma'am, purple.
Purple. Very good. Yes, purple. Write in the blank, children. Purple. Viraj Gupta. The next color. Loudly, beta. फिर से बोलो.
Green.
Very good.
Green.
Very good. Green. Children, write green. Mara Tandon. अब बताओ. Tell me a color from the table only.
Black.
Very good. Black. Write in the blank over there, children. Black. Now we come to numbers. Arna Raj. Tell me the number from the table, beta.
1.
Is it? Yes, it is there. 1. Very good. Spelling O-N-E. 1. Ekagr beta. The next number. Beta, the next number, Ekag, wait. Oh, Ekag lost his connection. So let us wait for him. Ekagra, I can't see you, beta. Wait, where are you? Yes, here you are. Ekagra, the next number, child, I can't hear you. अब बोलो एकाग्र. Again एकाग्र, I can't hear you. 4, yes, 4 is there. Please write 4. Please write 4. Jennifer, tell me a number from here, please. Jennifer, read a number from the table in the book. Jennifer, you are not paying attention. Sanskar, can you answer this? Loudly, beta. 10. Very good. 10. Yes, 10. Write 10 over there. Avira, can you tell me one more number?
7.
Very good. 7. Please write 7 in the plan. Okay, now let us go to shapes. Akshat. Akshat.
What's that?
Loudly.
Oval.
Very good. Oval is 1. Very good. Oval. Hussain, beta, you are not paying attention. Ayansh, can you give me the next shape?
Square.
Very good. The next shape is square. Very good. Yasir, can you give me the shape, Yasir? Next shape.
Circle.
Circle, but it is written circular over here, okay? So, circular, please write CIRCULAR. Circular. Akshita. Only one
Yes, ma'am.
shape is left, and what is that shape, child?
Oblong, ma'am.
Very good. The last shape is oblong. So we have written these. Now exercise D, children, is for homework.
Ma'am.
Please write homework over here and write today's date. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of oblong?
बेटा oblong is the shape. अभी इसको आपको हम नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, but when we are doing shapes, right? अभी I'll send you an image of oblong in the group, right? So that you have an idea what an oblong is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Your class, this class is over now. We'll meet in the last